Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday, the 11th of June. Let's start, as always, with a look at tomorrow's weather map. Now, we've got a broad area of high pressure sitting over northern and eastern parts of the country, meaning mostly clear skies for a lot of those areas, although we will still see a few light showers in some parts. A few more scattered showers moving through the southern parts of South Australia as a low pressure trough makes its way in from the west. Meanwhile, on the west coast though, we've got a new high pressure system starting to strengthen over the coast. Let's take a state-by-state look at all of that now, starting with Queensland. For Queensland tomorrow, we are expecting below average temperatures through much of southern and central Queensland, even parts of northern Queensland expected to be below average tomorrow. We are expecting a frosty start for parts of the southern inland parts of the state and central parts of the state tomorrow, with temperatures dropping right down. A little bit of cloud and a few light showers about the northeast coast tomorrow, but otherwise we are expecting mostly dry and sunny conditions across Queensland. Certainly that includes around the Brisbane area, where we're looking at a sunny top of 19 degrees for our Wednesday. Down in New South Wales, morning fogs and frosts, mainly to the west of the ranges. We are likely to see partly cloudy skies continuing anywhere west of the ranges, with cool westerly winds starting to ease back. We may see a few light showers through the day tomorrow, mainly about the ranges, slopes and southern inland parts of the state. It will be a bit drier along the east coast. Certainly we're not expecting showers for Sydney, where we're expecting a mostly sunny day and a top of 18 degrees. Down in Canberra, after a frosty start, we're expecting a partly cloudy top of 13 degrees. Down in Victoria, it will be another foggy, frosty start inland. In fact, we are anticipating a frost warning across much of those northern and central parts of Victoria, with temperatures dropping down below 1 or 2 degrees. Otherwise, we're looking at a partly cloudy day across Victoria tomorrow. A few very light showers across the south, but very little in them in terms of rainfall totals. Melbourne is expecting a partly cloudy day and a top of 14 degrees tomorrow. Down in Tasmania, morning fogs and frosts are once again on the forecast, but we should clear to mostly sunny skies through much of western and northern Tasmania during the day. It'll be a little bit cloudier along the east coast and particularly in the southeast, where we may see a few showers through the morning, gradually easing back as the day goes on. Hobart can expect a morning shower or two easing and a top of 13 degrees for our Wednesday. In South Australia tomorrow, morning fogs and frosts across the southeast agricultural areas and across those inland parts of the state. Now, we are anticipating a frost warning for parts of the southeast tomorrow morning, with those temperatures dropping right down below 3 or 4 degrees. Partly cloudy along the south coast with a few isolated showers. Those showers will become more scattered across the west coast and parts of the Eyre Peninsula later in the day tomorrow, as this low pressure trough moves in from the west. At this stage though, rainfall totals are not expected to be terribly high. Adelaide is expecting a partly cloudy top of 16 degrees tomorrow. In Western Australia, the chance of morning frost across southern parts of the Southwest Land Division and across the southern interior district. Otherwise, we're expecting partly cloudy skies in the south, with a few light showers along the south coast, mainly clearing up through the afternoon. It will be much sunnier anywhere north of around Perth or so. Perth itself is heading for a mostly sunny day tomorrow and a top of 18 degrees. In the Northern Territory tomorrow, we are expecting the chance of frost across the Lassiter and Simpson districts, including around the Alice Springs area. It will tend dry and sunny through the day, pushing all the way up into those northern parts of the territory as well. We may see a little bit more cloud along the northern coast of the top end, but we're not expecting any wet weather for our Wednesday. Darwin is heading for a sunny top of 30 degrees tomorrow. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM weather app, or via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.